Hi everyone! Today we're gonna show you the fire alarm system in our mega mansion. After that, we're gonna do a fire alarm testing in our mansion to make sure it works. So anyways, here is the fire alarm panel, Firelight BG12 pull station. We have fire alarms in the movie room, all bedrooms, to VIP rooms, for living room, and to big kitchen in case if there's a grease fire. So anyways, here's all the fire alarms in the walls and fire pull stations. If you want to go fast forward, you can do that, but when it's done, you can put the speed back to normal. Alright, since we're done showing you all the fire alarms in all rooms, hallways with pull stations, living rooms, and kitchens, it's time to do the test. But first, I'm going to make an announcement that we're going to have our first fire drill in our mansion.
5 minutes later.
Alright, before I pull the fire alarm, I want to tell you what is this white fire alarm with the speaker, the fire alarms in the bedrooms, hallway, living room, and in the kitchen is SP to W122 for MC speaker strobe. Since I'm done telling you what is that fire alarm now, it's time for the drill to test it. No, it's time to hear the sound. This is what it sounds like in 3, 2, 1.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? The fire alarm system is activated in this building. Please leave the building immediately using the nearest available exit. Do not use the elevators. Use the stairwells where necessary. Handicapped occupants should use the building evacuation plan.
Alright, what I'm gonna do is put the key in the pull station to reset it. And now I'm gonna wait my gang to evacuate the building.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? The fire alarm system is activated in this building. Please leave the building immediately using the nearest available exit. Do not use the elevators. Use the stairwells where necessary. Handicapped occupants should use the building evacuation plan.
Alright, my gang has evacuated the mansion. Now I'm going to reset it. There we go, the system has turned back to normal. So that is what our fire alarm system is in our mega mansion. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, please subscribe to this channel and like the video. See you next time. Bye guys.